Let us study congruence of triangles. In a correspondence, if two angles of triangle ABC are equal to two angles of triangle PQR and the sides included by the respective pairs of angles are also equal, then the two triangles are congruent. By which property? Angle, side, angle. This angle congruent to this angle, this angle congruent to this angle, this side congruent to this side. That means this triangle is congruent to this triangle. By which property? ASA test. Further, in this case, in a correspondence, if two sides of triangle ABC are equal to two sides of triangle PQR and the angle included by the respective pairs of sides are equal, then the two triangles are congruent by SAS test, side angle side test. This side congruent to this side, this side congruent to this side, and an angle included by the respective pairs of side. This angle congruent to this angle. Further, in a correspondence, if three sides of triangle ABC are equal to three sides of triangle PQR, then the two triangles are congruent by SSS test, which is called as side test. Next, hypotenuse side test. If in triangle ABC and triangle PQR, angle B and angle Q are right angle, hypotenuses are equal, side AB is equal to side PQ, then the triangles are congruent by hypotenuse side test. Practice set 3.2, the first one. In each of the following examples given below, a pair of triangles is shown. Equal parts of the triangles in each pair are marked with same signs. Observe the figure and state the test by which the triangles in each pair are congruent. Okay, look at the first one. If you look at the first one, then in the first one, we have triangle ABC and triangle PQR. This is congruent to this, this is congruent to this, this is congruent to this. That means the three sides of one triangle is congruent to three sides of the other triangle. Then we say that it is congruent by SS test. Let's go to the second one. In the second one, in triangle XYZ and triangle LMN, you see this side congruent to this side, this angle congruent to this angle, then this side congruent to this side. Then by which test? Side, angle, side. It is congruent by SAS test. The third one. In triangle PRQ and triangle STU, if you see angle P is congruent to angle S, angle R congruent to angle T, and side PR is congruent to side ST. If you see there are two angles in one side included over here, that means this triangle is congruent to this triangle by which property? By ASA. Angle side angle test. Let's go to the fourth one. In the fourth one, if you see straight away, you have got a perpendicular here. It's a 90 degrees, 90 degrees. Hypotenuses are congruent and this side. In such cases, when we have this, we say that these two triangles are congruent by hypotenuse side test. Side test. Second one, observe the information shown in pairs of triangles given below. State the test by which the two triangles are congruent. Write the remaining congruent parts of the triangles. From the information shown in the figure, in triangle ABC and triangle PQR, angle ABC congruent to angle PQR, segment BC congruent to segment QR, angle ACB congruent to angle PRQ. If you see this angle congruent to this angle, this side congruent to this side, and this angle congruent to this angle, that means triangle ABC congruent to triangle PQR, by which test? Angle side angle. That means ASA test. ASA test. Now once the triangles are congruent, its remaining parts are also congruent. Therefore, look at angle BAC congruent to angle QPR. Angle QPR. Why? Corresponding angles of congruent triangles. Segment AB. Segment AB. AB congruent to segment PQ. What? Corresponding sides of congruent triangle. And dash congruent to segment PR. What will be congruent to segment PR? Segment AC. And segment AC congruent to segment PR. Let's look at the second one. From the information shown in the figure, in triangle PTQ, this triangle and this triangle, segment PT congruent to segment ST, angle PTQ congruent to angle STR. Why? Because they are vertically opposite angles. You see this side congruent to this side congruent to this side. This angle is congruent to this angle, vertically opposite angles. That means this triangle PTQ congruent to triangle STR, by which test? See a side, an angle here and a side. That means it is congruent by SAS test. Now remaining angles, which are corresponding angles of congruent triangles, we have angle TPQ congruent to angle, look carefully, angle TPQ congruent to angle TSR, angle TSR, and angle TQP congruent to angle TRS. Segment PQ will be, now this is segment PQ. What is remaining? RS. Segment PQ congruent to segment RS.